I'm Brian Peters. Welcome to Motoring Investments video channel. Today we're featuring this 1956 Mercedes 190 SL, which we have fully restored. We're going to show you the undercarriage today. Let's walk to the back of the car and start there. From this vantage point, you can see that everything is virtually new or rebuilt or refinished, from the gas tank to the stainless steel exhaust system, which is an upgrade. You can see all the rebuilt suspension components, the Bilstein shock absorbers, fuel lines. This color, incidentally, is called sandalwood, and it's the color of most 190 SL undercarriages from the factory. The exception are the very, very early 190s, which were black. That was only maybe a couple hundred cars. The rest were this sandalwood. You'll see some cars with body color undercarriages, and that's a choice of some owners that are having their cars restored, or by various restoration companies who either don't know any better, or they think it pops, or their clientele prefers that. But if one wants factory, this was the factory practice. Moving forward, you can see how clean everything is. It wasn't just cleaned, it was all rebuilt and fettled and gone through. You can see the suspension here. And we're going to come around with our videographer to the front of the car and show, as we walk around, you can see all the features. And you can sight down the sides of the car and see how lovingly everything was finished, from the hubcaps to the chrome to the paint to the rocker moldings. This is a jackport cover. Everything was done to factory specs, including the body color paint on top of these nylon gaskets. That's something that intuitively we might think, oh, it shouldn't have paint on them, but the factory assembled the cars with the gasket, and then the cars were painted. So this is a correct feature with paint on top of this gasket. So that's everything for today. Thank you so much for watching. Feel free to follow along and like this video if you enjoyed it. Bye for now.